Lisbon is really a city that have evolved very quick with an environment very creative. For business, of course, for new technology, but also creative in the sense of artistic culture.
You say you wanted a place you can grow, a place just distant enough for you to feel adventurous. The faces are diverse yet familiar. The conversations are just the right length. They're meaningful and memorable. This is a place to learn.
A lot of summits are coming to Lisbon. People enjoy the city. The city is vibrant. You have nice places. You have surf, you have sun, you have beach, you have everything. So you can enjoy a great conference in technology, gathering the main players in the world.
This is a place where you connect, a place where the art challenges you just as much as the deep dives, and the ocean flirts with the city the way emerging tech flirts with daring industries.
We've noticed that for a few key business areas, mixed reality could be a real game changer.
You want to break the creative people free from the notions that VR needs to be a version of reality.
We are inextricably on a path to what we've seen. Best way to predict the future is to create it.
Enterprise transformation is here. We know that AR can help solve the skilled worker gap, and we know that scaling these enterprise solutions is key to long-term success. And our team at Lenovo and Think Reality is committed to doing that at a global level.
Lisbon has lots of fields that are in need of these technologies, and they want to take these technologies and want to learn how to use them and want to understand what can be the potential of them in their specific different fields.
The key finds that 500 minds designed, the provocative and progressive panels, the industry leaders who share their prized roadmaps, the workshops that disrupt, the amazing people, the hallways deluge, the futurists, the foresight, the hindsight is FOMO. This is VRAR Global Summit Europe. Welcome to Lisbon.